Alright everybody, so last time we cut a sample and we found out that the moisture was a little bit high, and so it's the next day and we've been working today just trying to get equipment fixed up and ready to go, and we've about got it done. We got one grain cart going, one combine going out in the field. We cut another sample this morning. We took it up there. It was like 16%, which is like perfect, if not a little. I mean, it's not too dry, but it's perfect. So I don't know how we came from 22 to 16 in just that small amount of time. I think it was probably something to do with the weather, where we cut the sample, and also a lot to do with maybe just a bad reading on the monitor or something. But anyway, we're back in the field cutting the first field of rice of the year, and it's looking like it's working out really good. We got the other combine filling up with fuel, and I'm working on the other grain cart. I had a hose blown trying to get it going. But we are cutting rice. That's what I like to hear. All right, let's get going. Check this out. Well, he's laying that down, isn't he? We're cutting rice, baby! Look at that! I love the smell of fresh cut rice. Not gonna lie. So the moisture's good. We actually got both machines in the field. I'm working on the last grain cart, trying to get it ready. Then we'll be good to go. Well, the long days have started. Officially started harvest today, and this is what we like to see. So you can see over here the freshly stripped straw. After the combine goes across, takes the grain right off the head. But you still have all of this residue out here that has to be dealt with before we can plant next spring.
So our preferred method, if the conditions are right, is to burn this. So we'll give this about 4 to 5 days, maybe a week, depending on the weather. After the Kelly Diamond has been across it, what Carl's doing right now, you see a lot of this straw, this residue, has been cut by those blades. And there's still some that's tight to the ground, but there's a big percentage of it that's cut loose, and this stuff will dry out. It's like if you cut hay or anything else, and we'll get a pretty good decent burn. If that is, if we don't get a lot of rain. Get a lot of rain, then we may have to come back in with the Kelly Diamond and fluff it up again, but it stays dry. One pass with the Kelly after the combines, and we're good to go. This is field number 1. Many more days, long days ahead. That's what we work all year for. Here comes Harrison with a grain cart load. This is what you call a grain cart load. I hope I'm making him nervous. It's one of the few times we have the whole operation going on right here at the same place. This field just happens to be right beside our grain bins, so loading the trucks right here at the grain bins, unloading the trucks right here at the grain bins, obviously, combines, grain carts, everything's running right here at the grain bins. It's a good place to start. Lets us work out all the bugs, equipment, not be miles away from tools and everything else. Doesn't always work out that way, but it did this year, so it was nice.
Okay, Dad got some video just now of us finishing up that field. We got everything going. Look how pretty it is out here right now. Enrique got that truck loaded that I was working on. So that makes 7 loads. 7 and a piece, 7.5. That's actually really good for this field. Usually doesn't do great, it's kind of sandy. So we're happy with that, we'll take it. It's a beautiful sight out here. We were just talking on the radio how this is our favorite time of the year. Just smells good, it looks beautiful, everything's pretty. I don't know, the sounds, everything's just, it's where it's at. Good old fall, good harvest. It's hard to beat. So hopefully we can keep rolling like this. I'm gonna go home and go to bed because I'm really tired. But yeah. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, and comment. We'll see you in the next one. Hopefully we'll be harvesting some more rice.